Hey there, are you tired of searching for the right job to kickstart your career? Well, today's your lucky day. I found some amazing job openings for freshers at Cognizant, Deloitte, and Capgemini. And guess what? I'll be sharing all the details, including job roles, eligibility, work locations, and yes, the salary insights too. Excited? You should be because these opportunities could be the perfect start to your career. So stick around and let's get started. Let's start with Cognizant, which is hiring for the role of process executive, data. This is a full time position under the technology and engineering category. As a process executive, you'll be responsible for handling daily tasks to ensure smooth team operations. You'll also be working with data analysis using Excel, making sure all data is accurate and well organized. Additionally, you'll be tracking delinquency management and preparing reports related to bankruptcy cases. But that's not all. You'll also collaborate with your team to solve problems while maintaining clear communication. Sounds challenging, right? But it's definitely rewarding. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To apply for this role, you need to have a graduate degree. Yes, any graduate degree works. However, having advanced Excel skills, knowledge of delinquency management, and an understanding of bankruptcy procedures will give you an edge. Also, since this role involves night shifts, you should be comfortable working in that schedule. The work location for this role is in Mumbai, India. And the best part? There's an option for work from home, giving you the flexibility to work comfortably from your space. And now, the most exciting part, the salary insight. For this role at Cognizant, the expected salary ranges from 2.5 to 3.5 lakh per annum, depending on your skills and experience. Sounds like a great opportunity, doesn't it? If you're excited about this role, don't wait. Apply to Cognizant today and take the first step towards building a successful career. Moving on to the next opportunity, Deloitte is hiring for an intern position in manual testing at their Digital Excellence Center. This is a fantastic opportunity for freshers who want to gain hands on experience in quality assurance and testing. As an intern, your main responsibilities will include ensuring the quality of the code base, developing and executing test plans, and working closely with developers to resolve any issues. You'll also be contributing to collaborative problem solving efforts while learning from experienced professionals. To apply for this internship, you should be currently pursuing or have completed a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Strong analytical and problem solving skills are crucial for this role, along with excellent communication and teamwork abilities. This position is based in Bengaluru, India, providing you with a dynamic and fast paced work environment. Imagine working at Deloitte, learning from industry experts, and earning a decent stipend at the same time. If you're ready to gain real world experience and kickstart your career journey, don't miss out on this opportunity. Apply to Deloitte now. Last but definitely not least, Capgemini is hiring for the role of data scientist. This is a full time permanent position based in Bangalore, India. As a data scientist at Capgemini, you'll be designing, building, and maintaining software solutions. You'll be solving complex software issues using innovative approaches and collaborating with other engineers and team members to deliver high quality solutions. This role not only demands strong technical skills but also encourages creativity and problem solving abilities. Here's an interesting note. Although this role is primarily for experienced professionals, freshers with strong programming skills and knowledge of software design and development should definitely apply. If you believe you can stand out and showcase your skills, Capgemini welcomes you with open arms. Now, coming to the salary insight, for the data scientist role at Capgemini, the salary ranges from 6 to 10 lakh per annum, depending on your skills, expertise, and performance during the interview process. With a high paying salary and amazing growth opportunities, this role is definitely worth considering. If you're passionate about data science and eager to work with a leading IT company, apply to Capgemini today and take your career to new heights. So these are three fantastic job opportunities at Cognizant, Deloitte, and Capgemini, each offering unique experiences and growth potential. Whether you're interested in data processing, manual testing, or data science, these roles are a perfect start for freshers looking to build a successful career. So, don't wait any longer. Grab these opportunities and apply today. Who knows? This could be the beginning of your dream career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more job updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Good luck with your applications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.